what I want to consider for the sketch is not necessarily drawing everything, because there's a lot in this image. I'm going to try to pick and choose what are the colors that I really do actually want to focus my time on. You're not as creative when you just copy the reference photo because you don't have to think so hard about it. I don't know that drawing everything in the scene necessarily gives you a better drawing. Drawing all of it is not always better. I'm not going to do a lot of line work. What I want to try to do is more hint at the patches of color that are in the scene. I don't really care if the drawing right now looks good. I'm just trying to put down some colors just to say, okay, this is about orange. A lot of blue. The little cookie, when I saw that cookie, I was thinking to myself, oh, that's probably like a shortbread. It's probably hard. It wasn't. It was like a little pillow. It was very poofy. I'm not going to do all the colors, but I just want to get a sense of the cookies having a little touch of yellow to them. I'm not going to spend that long on this sketch, but I do want to indicate, okay, like these little patches of blue. I'm not a pattern person. I'm not good at it. The plate is so much darker than I think it is. It definitely has a shadow. The blue against the orange in the cup could work out really well. I do like that there's one baby cookie in the background sitting by itself. I might get rid of the napkin, is maybe extend tablecloth so there's sort of a sway. Cover up these two, and I just focus on these three.